Ever found yourself juggling crypto exchanges, wishing you could just consolidate your holdings in one place? Maybe you started with Uphold, explored its offerings, but now your focus has shifted to Coinbase and its broader range of features or supported assets. If that sounds familiar, you are probably wondering, can I actually move my crypto from Uphold over to Coinbase? It's a valid question, and the answer, like many things in the crypto world, isn't a simple yes or no. It depends on a few key factors, primarily the specific cryptocurrency you're holding on Uphold and whether Coinbase supports direct transfers for that particular asset. Let's break it down. Uphold offers a diverse selection of cryptocurrencies, but not all of them are created equal when it comes to external transfers. Some cryptocurrencies on Uphold can be directly sent to external wallets, including your Coinbase account. Think of it like sending money from one bank account to another. These transfers typically involve the blockchain network of the specific cryptocurrency. You'll need your Coinbase receiving address for that particular crypto, which acts like an account number. You then initiate the withdrawal process from your Uphold wallet, carefully entering the Coinbase address. Double and triple checking this address is crucial, as crypto transactions are irreversible. However, here's where it gets a bit more complex. Uphold has certain limitations on transferring some assets directly off its platform. This could be due to various reasons, such as the specific nature of the asset, technical constraints, or Uphold's internal policies. In these cases, a direct on-chain transfer to Coinbase might not be an option. So, what do you do if you hold a cryptocurrency on Uphold that can't be directly transferred to Coinbase? Don't worry, there's usually a workaround, although it involves an extra step. The most common method is to first convert the unsupported cryptocurrency on Uphold into a supported one, something like Bitcoin, BTC, or Litecoin, LTC, which are widely supported across most exchanges, including Coinbase. Once you've converted your holdings to a transferable cryptocurrency, you can then initiate a withdrawal from Uphold to your Coinbase receiving address for that specific cryptocurrency, BTC or LTC in our example. This essentially acts as an intermediary step, using a widely accepted cryptocurrency as a bridge between the two platforms. Keep in mind that both Uphold and Coinbase may have their own withdrawal and deposit fees associated with these transactions. It's always a good idea to check their respective fee structures before initiating any transfers, so you're aware of any costs involved. These fees can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the network congestion at the time of the transfer. Furthermore, the time it takes for a transfer to complete can also vary. On-chain transfers depend on the blockchain network and its confirmation times, which can range from a few minutes to an hour or even longer during peak network activity. Transfers involving a conversion step might take slightly longer due to the additional processing involved. Transferring from Uphold to Coinbase is often possible, but it hinges on whether Coinbase supports direct transfers for the specific cryptocurrency you hold on Uphold. If direct transfer isn't an option, converting to a widely supported cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Litecoin on Uphold and then sending that to your Coinbase address is a common alternative. Always remember to verify receiving addresses meticulously and be mindful of potential transaction fees and processing times on both platforms. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.